Today we will show you how to set up our hydroponic grow kit so you can enjoy the beauty of botany every day. Wash your hands and remove all components from the planter. In your grow kit, you'll find a net pot with grow medium, seeds, plant food, and instructions. Rinse the net pot with grow medium underwater to remove any dust. Pour 2.5 cups of water into the planter and set net pot inside. Sprinkle seeds over grow medium. After, set your planter in a sunny spot or under a grow light. Your plant will need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. Set aside plant food. You'll need this after seeds germinate. You should see sprouts in 2 weeks. When sprouts appear, remove the net pot and empty the planter. Refill with 2.5 cups of water and 1/8 teaspoon of plant food. Stir to dissolve. Return the net pot to the planter. Take a pic to share your plant parent status and tag us at ModSprout. Pro tip, your grow kit can be reused. Shop replant kits and gardening accessories at modsprout.com.